Hey there, I'm just going to give you the quick comparison between the POWKIDDY V10 with your Miyoo Mini Plus, and I'm going to share with you regards the specs some important information. I hope this video is going to be a little bit beneficial to you. So the display size is literally the same on both. Both got 3.5 inch. So this is the first thing. You can see right 3.5 inches, and also right here 3.5 inch. So this is the first thing. Now the resolution, this is the first thing, is the Mini Plus got better resolution, only because with the POWKIDDY you have only 480 to 320, and with the Miyoo you are going to have 640 to 480. So this is another thing. Also the CPU is better for POWKIDDY V10. The GPU is better for V10 too. Then you can have RAM. This is better for V10. It really depends, like, okay, what version you got. And definitely check it right here for the RAM is 120 280 megabytes, and here is the RAM 1 gigabyte. So the external storage, higher max storage, you have 256 gigabyte. Here you're gonna have max expansion of 128. So this is the first thing. So sound, I got it for V10, but I couldn't get it for the Mini Plus. Like, what is there? Then the battery capacity is the same. Input power, you have higher input for 2A. You have 1A here. Max consumption power and battery life and charging time, I couldn't get it for the Mini Plus, but primarily when the battery capacity is similar, also the battery life and charging time is going to be similar in that way, but I just couldn't get the information. And now you're gonna have Wi-Fi, so you can have super external, both got the Wi-Fi option, so that's good. And then you have also the headphones. So for the V10, that's great. Don't know if the Mini Plus got it also. And then when you see here, you see the Mini Plus got 162 grams. And I couldn't get it right here, like what is the weight of the POWKIDDY V10. I just hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.